Good morning, dear student. So, dear student, your chapter is running. Okay, formula and function in Excel. Okay, student. So, just let's rewind about the chapter. So, formula. Okay, student. First thing is formula. So, what is formula in Excel? According to Excel, so that's performing calculations on the data in worksheet. Okay, performing calculation on the data in worksheet. Okay, and a formula start with an equal sign. Okay, student, that sign equal sign. Okay, clear about the formula? So formula, that's performing calculation on the data in worksheet. A formula start with an equal sign, and then after operators. Okay, so operators, that means a sign or symbol that specifies the types of calculation to be performed. Okay, yeah, so the operation is sign or symbol that specifies the type of calculation to be performed. Okay, and next, cell reference. Okay, students, so you know that cell reference. And what is cell? Cell reference. So cell reference, student, a unique address of a particular cell in worksheet. Okay, student. So what is cell reference? So cell reference, that's a unique address of a particular cell. Okay, in a worksheet. Okay, student. And then after, cell range. Cell range. So that cell range is a group of related cell in worksheet. So cell range is a group of related cell in a worksheet. And you know well, student, what is worksheet. So that's, you open the Excel. Okay, so that's open the spreadsheet, and in spreadsheet program have a 3 worksheet. By default, how many worksheet in a spreadsheet? 3 worksheet have. Okay, and last, function. And last topic, function. So function, a ready to use formula in Excel. Okay, what is the function? So a ready to use formula in Excel. Okay, clear? And student, in Excel, formulas are started by equal sign, and the most usable formula in Excel are arithmetic formula. Okay, and the reference formula combine 2 cell range to create a single joint reference. Okay, and the reference formula combine 2 cell range to create a single joint reference. Okay, student. So in this chapter, student, today we shall discuss about the question answer. Okay, student. So now ready for the question answer. And which student have microcomputer just like desktop, okay, and laptop. So please student follow the following step, okay, in worksheet, and do the practice with the different topic. Okay student, yes, how will we apply the sum option, how will we supply that subtract option, and how will supply up the average, okay, yes, and max and minimum function, okay student, yes, and how will we calculate your terms. So student have the many option for the practical. So please, you have the computer, so just do practice with to all topic, okay student, yes, because have more topic for the practical. And student, let's start the MCQ, okay. Chapter 4, chapter is formula and function. Formula and function in Excel. Okay student, that's the chapter. And let's start first MCQ, okay. Multiple choice questions. So first question A, the formula in Excel always start with which sign? So you know it, that's A, first equal sign, okay student, and B, which is mathematical operator, okay. So the mathematical operator is plus sign, okay, and C, which is comparison operator. So that's first less than equal to, okay, and D, the formula that compares the two cell ranges is reference, second. And last MCQ, a function that returns the highest value in a series. So second option, max, okay student. So please take the correct. Complete. So second question will be complete. Fill in the blanks, okay student. Second, fill in the blanks. First A, the calculation in Excel can be performed using, so fill the formula. Okay, student, fill the formulas in air. And B, Excel, calculate the formula from left to right. From left to right. Okay. So fill the left in B. And C, the order of operation can be changed by using. So that's parenthesis. Parenthesis option for the and D. Here to fill in the blanks. Arithmetic formula combine number, cell reference and function. Cell reference and function. Result with mathematical operators. And E, a reference. A reference. Identify a cell or range of cell in a worksheet. And F, the autofill. The autofill feature of Excel helps to copy the formula quickly. And last, a function makes simple out but cumbersome formulas easier to use. Okay, student, complete fill in the blank section. So please write down. And now we will start the very short answer. Okay. First question. So complete. MCQ and fill in the blanks. And start first very short answer questions. A. Name the groups of formulas in Excel. Name the groups of formula in Excel. So, student, look. Okay, students. So write the answer of A question. Excel divides formula into the groups. First, arithmetic, formula. Second, comparison, formula. And third, reference formula. Okay, student. So complete your first and second question. Name the sign which is used to start a formula. So equal sign is used to start a formula. Okay. So equal sign is used to start a formula. Okay, student. And C question, name the different arithmetic operators used in formula. So different arithmetic formula. So that's arithmetic formula formulas that combine number, cell, reference and function with the help of mathematical operators plus, minus, divide, multiply, percentage exponents, okay, to perform calculations. Okay, student, you complete. See question. Arithmetic formula that combine numbers, cell reference and function with the help of mathematical operator, just like plus, minus, multiply, divide as a percentage exponents to perform calculation. Okay, yes. And next question of this section is D. Name some of the reference operator. Okay, name the some of the different reference operators. So student, you know that the question name some of the different reference operators are colon space and comma. Okay. Equation. Name some commonly used function in Excel. Okay. Name some commonly used function in Excel. So first of all, write that question. Okay, students. So write the question. Name some commonly used function in Excel are sum, count, average, mean, max, okay, and if, and, or. Okay. So this, all of this name of some functions. Okay. And next question, name the different categories of function. Name the different categories of function. So students, that question and the other one long question we shall discuss about the next in the next class. Okay student, so this question write down in your notebook and learn also student. Okay, have a good day.